You absolutely happy in another country Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this super cute Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to new stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And from here, you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And here you will also find many other cute trends, so you can check these too if you want. This is a viral one. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button once you are here, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I will show you once I will do the story from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a photo in another country where you were absolutely happy. I will go with this photo. Is a photo in Spain. So from here you can share your story with your friends. So yeah guys, now let me show you, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? So from my Instagram page, you have to remain here. You have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find the first story which is not able to click on add yours button, and you can click on this YouTube link right here, and from there you will see a YouTube tutorial which will help you solve your problem. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.